Yo, what's up everyone? Mark here with M2M Detail. If you guys watched the video before this one, you saw how we shrunk the film on the back window. Now we're going to be removing the tint, guys. I'm not going to be bringing you inside. I'll probably give you a little quick look, but probably not. But anyway, guys, you're going to be on time lapse. We are going to be using a steamer, and we're just slowly going to be pulling the tint off. So enjoy the time lapse. I really appreciate you guys watching, and let's get into the video. All right, guys, so now that we got the tint removed, we got the back window cleaned up pretty much. It's at like a 95%. Very little adhesive left on the top. We're going to get that while we do the install. So we're cleaning up a couple more times before we install the tint. But all right, guys, that was just a quick little video on how to remove tint. Just take your time with the steamer. Try to leave at least bare minimum of adhesive left behind. You don't want to leave a bunch of adhesive left behind, especially on a back window. It's going to be hard. You can't razor blade it because you have the defrosters, or you can, but you know, we don't do that. Don't do that. But just take your time. Less adhesive, easier it is. So, all right, guys, I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for the next video where we're going to be installing the new tint on the Passat. All right, guys, late. So all we're going to be doing, guys, is pulling the tint just like that, bring it back down. Same thing with the top, pull it up and bring it back down. Oop. There we go. I probably should have my Mac Tech. There we go. So we don't want to be doing too much, but just enough. So that will be good right there. Okay, so let's shrink this real quick again, and then you guys will be able to see what I'm talking about. So we're pretty much going to be creating fingers. So just work our way back down, re-shrinking the film. So you can see how we got all this stuff bunched up now right here. Now this is going to help with the install, not fighting fingers across the bottom edge, because it's going to be a nightmare on the Passat. All right, there we go. So this is done. Let's knock out this top now. There we go. Let's go on the other side. Same thing over here, guys. Let's give this a little lift right here. There we go. Give the top a little lift. A little more. There we go. All right. So now let's start heating this back up. Get our H pattern. So guys, if you could tell, this is real easy, real quick. Doesn't take long at all, but makes a big difference on the install. And that will be it, guys. Get this out. Bam. Maybe one more right here. And that's it, guys. So now that we got the double shrink done, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tint, and then you guys can see us install the tint, or well, watch me install the tint. But all right, guys, that's pretty much for the double shrink right now. I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned for the next video.